All right, we've got some good news for Portland property owners dealing with downed trees from the winter storms. The city is now waiving retroactive tree removal and replanting application fees. Those fees are typically $100 for up to 3 trees and $25 per tree after that. So what does this mean? Well, if you own a home or a business that was damaged by falling trees or branches between January 12th and February 23rd, yes, 3 weeks from now, you're eligible. We're working to get more clarity around that window of time for you. For more information, you can visit portland.gov/trees.